just like that, and boom, yep, can still fit even with the case on, which is definitely very awesome. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, coming at you with another awesome technology video, and today folks we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, Incase's compact sleeve for none other than 13-inch MacBook models, including the MacBook Pro, the MacBook Air, and my very own 13-inch M1 MacBook Pro. So here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box, or sort of box, because as you can see the sleeve is kind of hanging out of it. Anyway, on the front it says Incase compact sleeve. Over here it says 13-inch, and then MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and then obviously also the M1 MacBook Pro, which is 13 inches. So yeah, over here it talks about that 13 inches again. Over here same thing, and over here on the back we've got some pictures of this sleeve. Obviously we don't really need the pictures because right here we can see, touch, and even feel the sleeve right here. And you know what? I'm just going to take it out of the box, nice and easy, just like that. Super easy unboxing experience. Now that guy right there is empty. We can toss this to the side, and boom, here is the sleeve. So let's open it up right here, and let's see. Is it empty? It looks like we've got a little bit of silica gel right there. We can throw that away, and boom, I missed the trash can, by the way, if anyone cares. And over here this came unzipped, and yeah, nothing in there. Now it's empty in there, and ooh, wow, it's got a nice soft lining right there. That's probably good so it doesn't scratch your expensive Mac computer. I sure hope not. So now folks, here is my M1 MacBook Pro right here, and it's actually inside Incase's very own hard shell case for the device, so that adds a little bit of extra bulk to it as well. So let's see if it can still fit even with a case on. So we can just slide it right in here, just like that, and boom, yep, can still fit even with the case on, which is definitely very awesome. And yeah, now it's nice and secure in there. And I also think this particular sleeve is super duper cool how it also has this outer pouch right here. So I don't know, maybe you can put your MacBook's charger in there. You know what, I'm actually gonna go grab the charger and see if it fits. And here it is, that USB-C power brick and USB-C cable. Let's see, let's just put the cable in first, and then let's put the charger, and yup, it fits. Beautiful. Now we're all ready to go with the computer in this sleeve. So yeah guys. So anyway, with that folks, that'll conclude this nice, quick, easy unboxing of the Incase compact sleeve for none other than 13-inch Mac laptops, including my beautiful M1 MacBook Pro right here. We can put that to the side. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this sleeve right here. Do you love it? Do you hate it? And if you're wondering, the price is about $50 before taxes, by the way. So definitely let me know your thoughts on this guy right here. I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you guys enjoyed this technology video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with Incase's compact sleeve for 13-inch MacBooks, including the M1 MacBook Pro. Bye guys.